Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Matani Saldana alleges CMZ authority of underhand dealings. Sara refutes all allegations of Mickey, says Mickey offered her 2 crores for settlement. Beach safety management scheme in troubled waters. Cross-section of Goan society comes down heavily on Ranjan Soleiman's comments on Hemant Karkare. And it's no smoking time in Goa. Survey says that 90% hotels are aware about the law, 50% implemented. Now the news in detail. Matani Saldana today again slammed Coastal Management Authority for giving permission to a construction of Kyle Sal Resort project at Velsau, violating CRZ regulations. Matani also alleged that CMZ authority is involved in shady, underhand dealings in this project.
New Delhi approved the and New Delhi approved the law, but don't see meter Vittoria has to approval ko pass the passport bond Gorpajikam, Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority come. Collector and report the law, the reporter copy. दाखवले आम्ही ते सारखी दाखवता 200 मिटरा भितर पडते आणि तेकोनूच लोकांचे घरां आहाय ती घर मोडपा नोटीस धाडल्या आणि आता इन 2008 परमेश दिता इल्लीगल हॉटेल बांदपाक 200 मिटरा भितर हेचेर आमी विरोध आहाय आमकां दुबाव आहा की ताणी कितें घेतला आसतलें म्हण नाजाल्यार हें पास जावपाक जायना हें कशें पास जालें तुमी लोकांक सादी लोकांक तुमी सतायताय आनी व्हडले व्हडल्यांक तुमी पास करून घेताय.
If you like it or not, Goa's tourism minister Mickey Pacheco says he can have as many women as he wants, but still one cannot term it as bigamy because he is married to only one. Legitimate or not, Mickey feels that he has not done anything illegal. Caught in a tricky situation, here is what's happening in our tourism minister's life in a Bollywood style.
I can have as much as a woman. That doesn't mean that she's my wife. Bigamy is married more than once. She filed so many complaints in this 1 month time. Bigamy. Bigamy, you got to understand. Bigamy is a person who is married more than once. I told even the police officer, I will never pressurize anybody. You prove it, I'll step down. I did not receive one complaint. Overall, in 5 years' time, from 2003 till date, my wife never complained against me. Nowhere in the police station. And all out of blues came in the end of December. I did not do anything wrong. I still say if I did anything wrong, I'll face the consequences. I'll face the consequences. I'll face the consequences.
Sara Pacheco has refuted all the charges made by Mickey Pacheco. Sara has alleged that officer on special duty for Tourism Minister Lyndon Montero offered her 2 crores to settle the matter. Sameer Bhatt reports.
About this. Now Mickey is already frustrated and he can talk anything. The talking doesn't cost him. But so far Churchill had not given me any money and I have not asked any money with Churchill. But I know only that Mickey, when I was friendly with Mickey, Mickey's father and Mickey has to build a house in Ranwada or Betalwadi. They had borrowed money from Churchill and that they were not paying. That I paid from my book when I got married with Mickey, along with Mickey's mother. And one day, okay, it happened. Lyndon Montero, he came and told me, see what you are going through, all this putting Mickey in the shame and all. You take the money, what is your demand? Take 2 crores and forget this case and all. I said, no, it's not because of the money I'm doing. I'm doing that Mickey also knows what is their mistake and all. Always he say he's greater.
With Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco trapped in a battle with his better half, beach safety program in the state is heading in rough waters. Drishti Special Response Services, which looks after beach safety in the state, has plans of withdrawal as government has not paid their fees. Here is a report.
In last 5 years, more than 300 people have lost their lives on Goan shores. Last year, Tourism Department had initiated the ambitious project on beach safety by roping in the services of Drishti Special Response Services. Tourism officials had claimed earlier that services of this company had helped them a lot. Altogether, around 5 crore rupees is the sum company is waiting in form of payments from the government. But the company claims they have not received their dues for last 3 months. When spoke to P.N. Pandit, General Manager of Drishti Special Response Services in Goa, he said that their company would not withdraw if their dues are paid.
We have got an instructor from Australia and UK. We have trained them and company has put money on that. What we are requesting to the government to clear our dues so that we can make salaries to the lifeguard and rest dues has to be cleared. Now it is government and hopefully I know that the government will take some positive step to clear our dues so that there should be no problem and if our dues is being cleared, we are not going to withdraw.
When asked by journalists, Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco said that the matter of payment is with Chief Minister as he has to sign on the payment file.
See, it's not a matter with me. The matter is the Finance Minister, and the Finance Minister is Chief Minister. The file before him, I already signed, and he told me I'll sign it and give it to you. Since he's not here in town, he's in Delhi. Once he comes, he'll settle the issue. I don't think there's any problem.
As far as Drishti Special Response Services is concerned, things won't move fast until government makes the payment. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.